My wish would have been that it's President Zelensky who meets Putin, because it's actually them who have to agree on this. So, as I said, I mean they are meeting, but let's see what's coming out of that meeting. I think it's important that President Zelensky also meets Putin, and they can discuss actually what they can do. If America has a lot of strength to pressure Russia to come to the negotiation table. If they use that, then of course this is good. If Russia stops this war. Regarding Budapest, no, it's not nice. I mean, to see that really a person put to the arrest warrant by the ICC is coming to a European country. And again, you know, the question is whether there's any outcome out of this. This is, I think, what we need to see, how these things are going in Budapest, as we have been very firm that Russia only negotiates when they are put under pressure. So we hope that also President Trump does that.